Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video we are going to see how to fix Xfinity error code NW-1-19 network slash Netflix DNS fix. Fix 1. Power cycle your equipment. Unplug your modem, router and your streaming device smart TV, Roku, Fire Stick, etc. from the power outlet for at least 30 seconds. Then plug the modem back in first and wait for the lights to stabilize, then power on your TV or streaming device. Fix 2. Bypass the Wi-Fi, use Ethernet. If your TV is connected via Wi-Fi, try plugging it directly into your Xfinity modem using an Ethernet cable. A wired connection generally fixes network signal issues. Fix 3. Restart the Netflix app. If you have an Xfinity X1 or Flexbox, hold down the power button on the physical box for about 10 seconds to force a reset. Alternatively, open the Netflix app, then navigate to get help in it, tap on sign out, log out of your account, and then sign back in again. Fix 4. Change DNS settings. If your device allows, go to your network settings and manually change your DNS server to the public one, such as Google's primary 8.8.8.8, secondary 8.8.4.4. Fix 5. Clear app cache slash data. If you are streaming via a third-party device like a Samsung TV or PlayStation, go to the system settings and clear the app cache or perform a reset smart hub to clear out glitched data. Thanks for watching, and for more such informative videos, do like, share and subscribe to our channel.